A lot of people invest in expensive skincare products, but year in, year out, your skin is not improving. You're using a brightening product, but every time your skin is looking red or your skin is looking very dull. You're using your exfoliants, but your skin does not care. It could be that you're making one or two of these mistakes I'm about to mention. All right. Number one, you are exfoliating every day. Like, who does that? It's just like using your body scrub every day, every day. It's not supposed to be that way. When you're using a treatment product on your face, it is very important you space out so that your skin can rest, so that your skin can breathe from those exfoliating products. Your glycolic acid, your benzoyl peroxide, your salicylic acid wash, your retinol, they are not supposed to be used every day. You're to use them at most 3 times weekly so that your skin can breathe, so that your skin can rest. And on those resting days, you focus on hydrating your skin. Most times, you will notice that most of these exfoliants are actually drying. When you apply them, your skin feels tight for some time. And when you are over exfoliating, your skin becomes easily irritated. Your skin becomes red. You notice rashes on your skin. All right. This could be the reason your acne is not going. This could be the reason you're experiencing more breakouts. Most times, your skin even gives you the sign your skin barrier is about to be broken. When you're applying some products, you'll be noticing the redness. When you're applying it consistently, you will notice you're still breaking out more. Your skin is communicating, but you're not paying attention. It's one of the reasons why your acne is not going. All right. You're over exfoliating. So you want to avoid this mistake. Okay, you want to avoid this mistake. Give your skin some breathing space when you have to focus only on hydration. All right, feed it enough hydration, and your skin will thrive. The second reason could be that you are not cleansing properly. You see, most times, a lot of people are not deep cleansing. You're applying your moisturizer, you're applying sunscreen, you're applying serum, and sometimes some people apply makeup just as I am wearing makeup. All right. These things can clog your pores. So during your night routine, you want to focus on double cleansing. You want to deep cleanse your skin so that your pores will be empty again. All right. Those oil buildup, those skincare buildups, those makeup buildup are going to clog your pores if you don't deep cleanse. Sis, I'm going to hold your hands and say this. You don't need those DIYs. All right. You don't need those things you're doing in your kitchen, applying them on your skin, please. Use products that are dermatologist tested and proven. Use products that are clinically tested and proven on your skin. Okay? Some of you have a very sensitive skin. You have an acne-prone skin, but you will not leave DIY alone. Today, you're using skincare products. Tomorrow, you're doing turmeric mask. Next tomorrow, you're doing this. Please, stick to one. Stick to one so that you know when you're having more breakouts as a result of the product you're using and as a result of the practices you're using your skin to practice. It is not healthy. You're not a formulator, so there is no point doing what you are not sure of and applying it on your skin. All these things, all these concoction people are mixing. What about sterility tests? Have you done sterility tests to know if bacteria, fungi are not in those things? All right. These are the things you want to consider. You don't just use any product on your skin. Remember, your skin is a sense organ. Your skin is a sense organ, and anything that affects your skin affects you. All right. So you want to stay on a safe side. Use products that you're sure of. Use products that are tested and proven in the lab. Use products that have gone through screening under standard bodies. So you'll be sure of the things you're using on your skin. That is my own take. Next one I'm going to talk about is a lot of you are guilty as charged. Because tell me why you'll be using your body lotion, a product that is made specifically for the body. You're not going extra using it on your face. And sometimes I ask why. You are not supposed to be using your body lotion on your face. I am saying this and I'm saying this again and again. Body lotions are thicker in texture, okay? But face creams are lighter. Body lotions have the tendency of clogging your skin. They have the tendency of clogging the pores on your skin, on your face. So you want to use body lotion on your body and use face creams on your face. All right. Another reason your skincare is not working for you is because you are not exfoliating. Oh yes, Some people focus on only hydration, and in skincare, to get the most out of it, you have to strike a balance. Use your hydrating products, use your treatment products. They are very necessary. Use your exfoliant depending on what your skin wants. You can use your AHAs, you can use your BHAs, but you are supposed to have an exfoliant in your routine. Your exfoliant can be a salicylic acid, it can be a benzoyl peroxide, it can be a tretinoin gel. All these things are exfoliants. And when you don't have them in your routine, there is no way your skin is going to improve, because this is what is going to help your skin to get rid of those dead skin cells so that new skin cells can be revealed. All right. So this is a very important step you want to take in your skincare routine. There are lots of exfoliants out there. You have your AHAs, you have your BHAs, you have your lactic acid, you have your salicylic acid, you have your tretinoin. All right. So you're going to pick the one that is specifically made for your skin concern. If you're having acne, you want to incorporate acne treatment products in your routine. It can be your salicylic acid, it can be your benzoyl peroxide, it can even be your retinol. All right. So these things go a long way to help your skincare journey. It goes a long way to help your skin get rid of dead skin cells and the rest. Some of you are not using the appropriate products for your skin concern. Some people are having cystic acne, but you're treating with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid and cystic acne have nothing in common. If you have cystic acne, the best product that is going to work for you is benzoyl peroxide. So you want to buy products that has benzoyl peroxide as the active ingredient in it for your skin concern. All right. It is very, very necessary if you truly want to get rid of your acne. And if you're having whiteheads, blackheads, you want to go for products that contain salicylic acid. Another reason could be that you are still using carotene, you're still using Caro White, you're still using Skin Doctor lotion. Don't get me wrong, those products are not entirely bad. They are there for certain purpose. If you must use products that contain hydroquinone, steroids, they are not supposed to be used for a very long period of time. You're supposed to use your hydroquinone at maximum 3 months. Using it should not exceed 3 months. Another reason could be that you're not using the appropriate product for your skin type. Like I mentioned earlier, this is relating to skin type now. There are skincare products for people that are oily skin, for people that are dry skin, and for people that are combination skin, as well as normal skin. If you have a combination skin, to be on a safer side, use products that are made for people with combination skin or dry skin. All right. For your skin to enjoy the benefits of the product you're using, you cannot be dry skin and you're using products made for oily skin. The product will not fully hydrate your skin, all right, or will not fully cleanse your skin. If you're oily skin, use foaming cleansers. And if you're dry skin, use hydrating cleansers. This will help to keep your skin in check. When it comes to your moisturizer, people with dry skin should use products that are thick in texture, made for the face. And if you're oily skin, use products that are lightweight, made for oily skin. Okay. Another reason could be that you're still using your Formax A, Skinel, and the likes in 2025. Don't get me wrong, these products are not the issue, but the way you're using it. I remember those days in school when I have rashes, my friend would suggest I use it to treat my rashes on my face. And after using it, I'll just drop it. That's the end of it. And that is how these ingredients, these products are supposed to be used. You're not supposed to be using it as your face cream. You're not supposed to be mixing it in your body lotion. All right. You're not supposed to be applying it on your body every time. You're to use it to treat a particular skin concern and you drop it. So if you're using products like this over a long period of time, you're causing more harm to your skin. And that is what you don't want to deliberately do. All right. So if you're still using this product, you want to be cautious. You want to be cautious of your timing. If you're treating a particular skin concern and it is not going, visit your dermatologist or visit your doctor so that they'll prescribe the right treatment for that product. And after that period, drop the use of it. Stop using it. You're not doing your skin any good if you continue using it. All right? You're not supposed to be shaving your face by yourself. If there is any need for you to do that, I would suggest you do that with your esthetician, a licensed esthetician, or you do that with your dermatologist, all right? So that they will diagnose if your skin actually if your facial hairs actually needs to be shaved. And they will do this in a sterile environment, all right? This is a very important step you want to take if you want to elevate your skincare journey, all right? With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. We are already 39 subscribers on this channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you that has taken time to hit that button. I'm truly grateful for the gift of you all. Please, if you're coming here for the first time, do well to subscribe and like this video so that the algorithm will push this video to people who also need to see it. My name is Ebere. In case you're coming here for the first time, I talk about everything skincare. I talk about lifestyle. I talk about beauty on this channel. All right. So if this looks like what you're interested in, hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of content coming your way on this channel. Turn on the notification button so that each time I upload a video, you're always going to be notified and you can come and watch it, get all the knowledge and apply it to your skincare journey. So with that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely see you on my next one. Remember, I'll always post at least one video on this channel every week. All right. So this is something you don't want to miss. All right. For now, bye.